Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, hey, Ziyakala, it's going down, and it's so sad what Casper's baby mama is going through or went through, because it's something that happened. So guys, as we all know, that Cassper Nyovest recently got married to his childhood girlfriend, childhood lover, or childhood best friend, something there. So now Utobeka was now a single parent, or if I should say, maybe raising their son alone. They had separated, but then not saying that he was not supporting the child. So Utobeka celebrated her birthday and posted this on her Instagram and said, "This birthday hits different. The last few years have been something, and looking back now, I am filled with gratitude. Who would have thought I'd be here, not in pieces but in peace? The tears that were once in silence are now from laughing out loud. I'm actually in awe of the goodness of God. How am I so deserving of this unconditional love, His covering and grace? Even when I was unfaithful to Him, He remained faithful to me. I've always heard God is found in certain locations. I didn't know I'd find Him at my lowest and most broken. At 8 months, my son was diagnosed with cancer and an entire different world. I always stood on protection and privacy, trying to maintain the world, and my world was a marathon on its own. I lived in an oncology hospital for 2 years with my son as he underwent chemotherapy and life-threatening surgeries. In depth of fighting cancer, I was hit with a curveball of infidelity. The woman knew me, my son's condition, and made no mistake with flaunting their relationship. After finding out, he ended it with her and tried to make amends with me. I couldn't trust someone who can hurt me at my lowest or allow another woman to disrespect his woman. Considering everything we had been through, it was more of the timing than the infidelity. He later married her." This is so sad, guys, and it is so sad. So Casper's baby mama posted this, celebrating her birthday, thanking God of all the things that He has done to her. So guys, Cassper Nyovest cheated on his baby mama while the baby mama was in hospital with the child for 2 years, fighting cancer. The child was going through surgeries, like going through the most. He is out there cheating with someone that knows the baby mama, someone that knows that they have a sick child. He is out there cheating. And then when the baby mama found out, Cassper Nyovest tried to apologize to make things right. But Utowela was like, you know what, let's just break this off. Like, I can't trust you, after everything that you have done while I was going through the most. I just can't trust you after this, So there was this one particular comment under the post that Casper's baby mama made. It said, "This is painful to read. The self-proclaimed man of God decided to cheat on the mother of his child while she was in and out of the hospital. Just wait. He speaks so highly of himself as a dad, but he decided to have multiple affairs while his child was fighting a life-threatening illness. I remember when you talked about how he begged you to be the mother of his child, but he then abandoned you during such a difficult time. In his twisted mind, he thinks using you as a surrogate was a good thing, but he thought making you his wife was too much of a commitment." Hey guys, one thing about men, Men will always choose what makes them happy. Men will always choose themselves in every situation, and then you are left to carry on like nothing happened. Imagine in and out of hospital with our son who is fighting for her life, for his life, and you are just out there gallivanting, cheating and doing all of that. Then you call yourself a man of God, and then chigi you are married, you are flaunting your relationship on social media, knowing very well that you were cheating on me while I was at my lowest. Like, guys, men are really, really not nice people. They are really not nice people, but okay, I'm not generalizing. There are good men out there, but so far I've never seen a good man, guys. I've never seen a good man, because while the baby mama was in and out of hospital, you were supposed to be there with the baby mama, supporting her all the way, like be the shoulder to cry on, instead of gallivanting, cheating, and ending up marrying the same person that you were cheating with. That person who knows your baby mama, the person who knew that the child was sick. Your guys, I'm just glad that Utobela, eventually healed and is now healed in jail. She's just over that, but it is really so sad, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and